Seseku Julius Ayokabe, Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Ayo Richard Mamela Mene, Ajo, Kabanke Zinene.
Okay, we will start this show right away. Today is Sunday, September 6, 2020, and I not come for can go left, go right, go center. I will talk with Pidgin, then I will put out. I don't see from the headline, though I don't put on there. The show say documents now they available for any Amazonian, either for American government, a website what I will give them today. for any ambassador to go online. Whether it's in Nigeria, it's in Congo, whether it's in we used to call that Zaire, that first country they don't change and go to Congo and the rest. Any side they want for Pernambuco, where now for that side for La Republic, or now for Douala, any site where you watch me Eric Tato at this time, I want to salute you and we talk say you get opportunity for go see where to be tell now where Sako nothing lie again. My trip to Buea, today I will talk about them, bring on the website, bring the documents for showing how they don't classify the embezzlement, then show the audit reports. When I see why we every day will cry about this thievery where Sako come and bring up for the revolution. Some people they don't go pay surrogatism. They come out there for can't defend them. Now all man will take the eye chop Christmas. I be done I say ABC, Amber TV, no they exist. American government don't know them. Now private money property. They be argued and said don't take the hand yesterday, they go take document, bring away the show Mark at Tungo and for Maryland instead of Texas with Chris Anno Day. When I will see the document again today, and themselves they put the document yesterday outside. Today I can't purposely talk about this issue at the talk show. And it will take me 45 minutes to get this discussion done. And the reason is simple. Now the thing you don't make revolution stagnant. You don't make revolution not stand one place. The level where Sako thief and the way they take about fool some ambassador people. I don't tell and say whether they like or not, God will always can expose you now. When you get people you want to leader, then when they go declare taxes for money where they collect for the ambassador people, not they make them public for their website or for their Facebook pages, but Sako they not do them because they know say na scandal and ambassador now the idol of go show now. Fellow Ambazonians, ladies and gentlemen, I will also talk about some document come up for AGC. Where some person, when I saw AGC person take them, he write something on top, I will teach AGC them small sense because AGC they go down every day because of the kind of people they live and they talk on their behalf. But if you be good person and say some person they will be better. If you only advise them, they try for the upgrade because now AGC like that kind of motorway, you don't go for valley, you don't force it, you head don't almost go for inside cliff, then that tail remain. I will try to drag them, move them back. Now, I'm going to listen very attentively. We'll start with this issue from my trip to Buea. I was already 500, half 1,000. Wonderful, in no time, in 3 minutes. So, anybody come just to share, tell which side it was. That will talk again about the CDN, Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation. First thing first, we'll start with my trip to Buea. Today, we absolutely for make a man put the eye open. Any man will remember the first thing, how much money will Sako they be declaring for audit committee where they go bring down Mr. Mektuge or Ekoge, where they bring him from London or Germany, the man get plenty addresses. They be bringing me can audit my trip to Buea. We see how much that money with Ambazonian Foundation we get now. Now how much money? When I don't ever hear Sunday, Sako the green say, every meanwhile they can talk and they talk saying at 811,000. But I will bring a document from US government where the show says Sako they declare now 1.3 million US dollars plus change. Almost 1.4 million. Then when they come for audit committee, they show now how much. When they come to and say no, we not raise any money, no money was there. All that money, citizenship lady, all Sako, each of them. It did for document here. Now the US government already put that out. So that Ambazonian people they win on a time to can't complain. When you fight the revolution, no say if you not solve issue for money, the revolution not ever work. Now by the way, every day I did on top this matrix to be a thing. Every day I talk against La Republic. Because the worst day for the revolution where Sako take a chopper. And they don't even bring so good, they divert my attention, go all this side. Are they only for day? Ask my friend, they call it say Prince. He go tell the meaning of only for day. Only for day means say concentrate on the sport. Only for day. Is it like anything football, win where the league, she don't have for the win. Woman, the same thing. If you get a woman, get for no play, get for the touch your woman. So you remain only for day, the thing will define. Revolution you find out because I don't remain only for that sport way. Embezzle as a say I get for. They don't do all kind of only for day. And they bring every day, bring documents. Now I want to meet they can website. All my way from America. They know IRS, Internal Revenue Service. All man know that particular. Something someone can tell you, say, done, yam not done. You say, people, they go check them. Today, I don't talk elaborate with some one person way. I not call anyway. He give me all the directive, bring all the documents. So, no play no the Ambazonia, people big money for some big. They look at so get 1.3 million US dollars. And you will see the reason for humanitarian for this, for medication. But Sakonba ever buy refugee one IMX. Might bring the document out when I see them. The document will be here, and I'll give all man the website. Take your pen. I will give you step by step. I will go online, go find them. If any man not understand, you come now. I will see them. Me all man know. Like no Ground Zero refugees them. I'm robber. On a fait ça the joke. I'm robber. Kumba. He supported the people noise, but I don't escape one. The one a US government don't release him. I'll see how now change him. And no go can talk say Gideon say ABCB registered, they not ban him. He be registered for outside. Because don't go bring document for Ambazonian Broadcasting Corporation where you get a mark at Tungo in name. You can't say the Ambazonian put that property. One man they go fight tax for property for put they say, show me the change, show me a corporation where the Ambazonian put they get them. One man, she don't go make like when I wait, I will go down all the documents them. Keep sharing, please. Keep sharing. Some people say they are attacking the show. Don't worry, they cannot attack the show. We're already above 1,000 by now, very soon. They can attack it, but they'll still come and watch. So now we'll start now for showing the documentation them from my trip to Boyawe come off American government the website. They're going to say IRS. I'll give you the link where anybody watch me, you'll go out there, you'll go make sure see it follow up and you will see exactly what will happen. Big screen for you. This is the, you not say I'm fine, you go for the website. All right. Watch me. Very good. I'll show now all the steps. Just share. We don't already more than 1,000. Very excellent. Now the documentation this. So if you did it, so the Sako the total money where it enters now 1.3 million. I will show now for US government website. Not be me, I not be American government. No can confuse me. I need to say Telegraph website to US government. And the document is from IRS, put it over 5 tax. I will show now. Tax exemption in this. My IRS document this. Alright. Go page 10. Where you go page 10, you will see money where Sako they declare. So that page 10 there. Very good. You don't see him? Now much that? 3,300,000. You see the money now, you not even read the figure, but now 1.333 that and some change, almost 1.4 million of money that they get from where Sako they get them for their account from Ambazonian Foundation. Come, all my watch me, I want me look the money fine that 1.3009 that. Now tax exemption document is all my day America. Now Sako put the plan for car talk say tax exemption. And they document that. Anybody don't fight tax for America, you know them. And Matt done one thing. And I did talk for live Facebook about Uncle Sam. They call IRS for America and Uncle Sam. No man for America need lie or joke with the IRS. Ask any man live for America. The highest person. I get problem with Donald Trump. when I president of America, when I feel the go court, IRS are the only organization for America where get authorization for take money for your bank account. We not ask your bank, we not ask you. Ask anyone stay for America. They need OE, they need joke with, they need lie about IRS. You need make fake declaration. You see this COVID-19 check and the IRS distributor. So any man in America, where they for America, you always see the document. You know, I know say Sako will go bring that a cheap active they can't say, oh, it's fake, is this. I bring plan B. Because Sako bring plan B, now my own plan B to work. When I see money where Sako they take out from Ambazonia Foundation, 1.3 million. But when I go to contribute, they declare how much 811 times. He say Yi and Iringwa, they chop how much over 500,000, half a million. Talk about 300 million CFA. Where Sako no even declare. Now NDC therefore American government don't publish them. The public information where I'll give all man the website. Muna go they go see them. When I tell you Sako na armed robber, criminal, thief, pathological liar on a piece of the joke. No matter what we are saying wrong. They coach me say every tattoo you be black leg or green. It better to be black leg than to be green leg. Sako na green leg. You know green and black. Green wild. You don't black snake, you chop black snake. Everybody you chop green snake. So when I listen very well. Now the time this for the Ambazonian people forget the truth, treat the truth and research. I'll give you the website. When you go there, I'll give you all the steps that you will follow them. If you be say you go confused, you go cut this to one part of my video. Now education, but all man will go see Ambazonian people that money wait for US government website. Where Sako they declare that they come here. They can't do what they can't tell with different figure. They put no, so we'll go find out. Then the issue I say government don't declare, don't make all the documentation, the paper show say they spending money for refugee them, they spend one now until an ambassador go bring the complaint for IRS say no, we're not receiving money, they'll start investigate them. So all of them, they are clean prisoners. Take these things and they go buy car loan. Now listen very attentively. I'll give you the website. So we all will follow the website on our put down. No, because I tell her say the level where Sako wicked. No, not be level where some man take and joke. Any man while they talk, just the type. I want me all man type the website. You go put over your page, all man, you give the directive. Now the website is I will read the letters and you follow the sign. Listen very attentively. You must type on exactly the way they give you for be able for open and me go for the page. You get H as in we are talking H as in hospital, H, small H, double T, you got the right term, H, double T, PS, H, double T, PS, 2 dot, not be full stop or 2 dot, that's column, 2 dot. They after 2 dot, you get 2 slashes in, slash, so put H, double T, PS, 2 dot, that's column, you know the 2 dot, perfect. They put 2 slashes, that's 1 slash, 2 slash, they put APPS dot, IRS.gov, that's GOV slash AP slash EOS slash. Now the website that. All man, where you listen, write the website down. I'll bet me some person take the website right and for them. No one become and I mean Sako they can say now I go print some document can show on Facebook. I want me any Ambazonian go they go see how Sako thief una money. Take and put them for private places, chop someone, pay rent, pay this, build a house in them places, then can't tell us 800,000. How na figure for no? Now in that 1.3 million where you put I go you type them for them. Type them very well. You get HTTPS 2 dots 2 slash APPS.IRS.gov/APP/EOS/ all small letters. Thank you so much. Now some other way put them. Must see if that website the man put correct so that will confirm them. No, you end up only. Okay, this one is very correct. This one, WZ, perfect. This person has done it very well. This Larson, that's Black Blonde Larson. He all man copy from Larson. He get the right one. So Larson, you repeat it many times. Put it there, me all man say, and that's it. HTTPS 2 dot, very perfect. 2 slashes APPS, very good. Dot irs.gov slash app slash es slash eos slash. Okay. Now listen to the way you go get to that document from our trip to Buea, Ambazonian Foundation. When you click this document, no, you don't even do it now, just follow the steps. And you don't so that we finish, you go watch it part for the video again, to follow the steps. When you go and click this website, as you click this website, it go open, it will take you go for the page. When you click that website, it will take you go for the page. You'll see now the page show. Once you see the page, which is there for the page, you'll see IRS, now in this for object, tax exempt organization search, now in this. You don't see them? Now that's so very good. Thank you now Almighty put that website. When you go, you click that website, it will take you go for tax exempt organization, you'll see search. Now they'll say, your next thing will say that page will see select database. Listen very attentively. Then when you see, you'll see select all, not touch, select all. When you come, they'll say select by, you'll see employment identification number. Because you don't know the employment identification number, when a SACO they get them, now IRS give option for still find the listing with the name we know, where you find the name for the organization, where they don't tell you. You click for there, you'll come now. Instead of employment identification number, where you click, they look for bottom. Once you click, you look for bottom, you'll see some two things under. You'll see employment identification number right for under. Then you click now organization name. So it will say search by, you don't want to search now by employment identification number because you don't get them. But you want to search now by organization name. Now in that organization name. So you come under here, select the bar organization name. That's it. You go appear now. Now you want search. And then after organization name, you come here, you get search term. You click, you put that for here, right? You put the name for the organization. Now we now just put Ambazonia. Where you put Ambazonia, you go for search. You go down, you just click search, not put not again. Just click you on top, search. When you search, you click for search bar. Once you click for search bar, the page will refresh. Then you scroll, come down, you will see different kind Ambazonia. You see Ambazonia Relief Fund, Ambazonia this. So once you click there, you'll see now Ambazonia Human and Relief Services. You find a particular one where you want and when Ambazonia Foundation. Listen very attentively. Once you get Ambazonia Foundation, just 1 minute. You get Ambazonia Foundation. When you click here, you come now in this, you put for that search thing, you get Ambazonia Foundation Incorporated now in this. When you click there, make sure say for that place they say search. I'll go back all over the second time. Now, very important show this. When you click here, you'll see Ambazonian Foundation Incorporated now in this. Now click on top Ambazonia Foundation, you'll see EIN number, all things, they'll give everything. When you click on top, you'll give more information. You'll come another page where you say determining letter, you scroll, come down, you define a waiting, you define a tax. You click on top tax form for 2018 from this. Just click for it because in 2018 they make the declaration of my trip to Buea. You click tax from this, it will come now, you'll see now, once you see the name, you click that tax form for the year when in 2018 form 990. Now American government don't put that so. You come here, you can see now copy of return 2008 form disease. You click on top copy of return at the PDF file. I want me go see so I go now in this way. You click on top for here, you go up and now bring you for the page. You say go see the page right for the when American government put them online. I'll take them all over. Once you see that form diseases, you open it or go for page 10. Look and detail it. You go for page 10 now, you will see the amount. You scroll down, how you go do no pages. You know pages now from here because now 34 pages. You look at the top, depending on how you found it. You go down, you can reach your page 10, now 7, this 8, 9, 10, you stop. When you reach your page 10, you come down for the last page, the last place of page 10, the last writing of page 10. You zoom out, you see total functional, all other expenses. Total functional expenses outlines 1 through this. Join this, you see all the expenses they spend total, all where they spend on total functional expenses at item 25 of page under page 10. You see 1.3 million something. Now in that where they spend. Now in that for the IRS website. So this one, me they go bring all that story. Me they come now. The fact says Sako, if can declare now 800,000. If I tell you the thief way thief, if I thief 500,000, it declare 811,000. All the committee do not vote to Sako declare them. But Sako go for American government because the government get the track. We will not get them because all the transactions they do and government is here. Now government get the license when they operate that thing. Sako go now go declare 800,000 for we, then go declare 1.3 almost 1.4 million for American government. But long cash them the fight. They online. Any man go there, we not talk say I don't get the website. Follow my steps and carefully. If you make mistake, call my number 9174801068. I will walk you through. And when you do you walk yourself through, call your neighbor, walk your neighbor through. All man and Bazonia get to see the thief free. This is your money. You, mommy, wait for America, go sell for McDonald's. You will go work for Group Home. You will drive Uber. You will work IT. You will come work in Mexico. The country, you don't even get document. You can't struggle to work. You take your $25, your $50, your $10. You put that liberation for country. One man, he should not go Maryland. He need to work. He not get no job. He take the money. He chop one money. Then stick on full we bring division for revolution. Bring conspiracies. Then go for we when we give them money can give you wrong declaration. Then go for American government. Go give the correct one. The one the American government minus the one the way. I ain't got the collector way not be actually put up for bank way. If be there like blank, you know, government nothing know. Plenty time the way money they say we put need declare for business. Government thing which you declare and you see their documentation because the transaction they get up for bank. So this is what we are saying. This is what we are saying. And he can't talk for I know I can because all that I don't bring document for Bank of America where I could chop money. It's already they can't defend them. But I also want that God will come vindicate me. Now do one away come for IRS Uncle Sam. Ask any man about IRS or America. Now the highest play with all man the fear. Now those are questions they don't know say they're for big trouble. So we all wanna see them. This is what we are saying. How wicked. Now I see Chris Anu they must go up, come down now the last up to all man those here. And you get some people that can talk say, oh, now the people they cause division, they want them. They imagine say Dr. Cho Ayaba, Vice President Dapi Yerima, Jomba Akubu, Mark Barretta, Eric Tato, all man from Bazonia. They don't talk some way. Every population for Bamenda agree. The whole world understand that decision. Say if it don't ban Okada, which would don't ban Moto. No man of it talk say lockdown though. Chris Anu can make audio say the interim government has not declared lockdown. Who fair declare lockdown? I be told I say yesterday for my show say waiting. Say Chris Anu must make audio only for can show say they get relevance. For can make that, is that not division? We now like call and say mommy and papa they wanna really want say wanna want the independence. She don't get think for herself. Say wait to be wrong if people they talk say me motor taxi no work for Bamenda. There's some other way wrong to say they have to wait until because that confusion that way they want set up. They say, oh, they want to say no lockdown. Is cases some man don't declare lockdown? No man will declare lockdown. Now me they don't come for an announcer. Now me put like crush over 100,000. Tomorrow will be in 100,000, thousands because I'm not saying the place for the truth. When I talk to you, see some few Sako show they want like 20. They'll run me the views drop, but they'll still can watch them. It doesn't change the fact. We get to be systematic though the approach the revolution. I don't show now everything. And that from American government. I did a website, me all man go there. Yesterday, I began to say, I use some keyword. We all might watch my show yesterday, but you remember that word. Resident agent. I be talking so now. Say when you take any document for personal registration for company, look the resident agent and the state. Chris Anu, last month, Chris Anu can talk say ABC don't just get the registration. You go look the date we talk, and the time they post that post, ABC not getting no registration is banned. Now they don't go bring a document when I Mark Achungo register Ambazonian Broadcasting Corporation, different from the ABC TV where Chris can claim. Where they for Facebook, I be talk say where when I check out. I be don't know they don't go online. They go move document where they want can claim for show me say ABC be registered so now me are the lie. But that document instead can sell them. I'll use that for show the Ambazonian people which have been talk yesterday because. Before I don't go on, I don't do that document, a document where I don't receive and since about a year ago because I own a time where they registered that. I will show now all the proofs the moon has which I chopped up. All man when ambassador and now we are for the open. I come to an open eye. Direct for that website for IRS. Where I will talk again at the end of the show. Me all man know. Say the wickedness, Sako pass devil. He pass Lucifer. Now I support man we can take one money. You know why the thing the 100% has become I may raise most of this money. I contribute for this struggle. My hard-earned money. And I want to see him. If Sakofi come take one money, 1.3, almost $1.4 million, he can declare 811,000. Since I start talk say my trip to don't ever year call 1 million. Never. I ever call 811 because I believe for which they declare for all the committee. But now new document don't come away. Now American government don't publish them for their website. All money tax this thing there for the tax return. Now public information. Now public information. Okay, Paul already say I'm saying telephone and communication. So yeah, money they use them for ABC TV. $153,000 for that tax exemption. The person that don't go move inside. So some people already go research the document and that. You look all the bills them. When they die for refugee camp, Chris Ann will take 153,000 say for communication. Then they can't license not take no money. Now in that they go declare for IRS. Now in that legal fees. Now in that okay fine. People don't see them. Now in that people they move them from the document when I see them. Now we may the right them. All man don't go they go see. Now in that so. Muna see why you tell now. Every day the government say Eric Tato. If you never revolution, they fight the Republic to Cameroon for corruption, for embezzlement, for wickedness. They get man where he works past phobia. He works past phobia. Now me, Eric Tato, don't go take that document, go put it for IRS website. Of course, not be Eric Tato. But what people, they die every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. Some people say ABC Amber TV is on as we speak. So we never understand the meaning of ban. Any man get for them for Facebook. Facebook is a free-to-air platform. But you don't get the documentation for operate, for get benefits in the name of that thing we represent online. That's what I'm talking about the ban. So we all man say when all man are glad for the way they see Sako is so they don't go now for the website, they don't go check and they put the figure there, they don't be converted. Hallelujah. So you see the wickedness. Now the wickedness for Sako is coming. Well, if you imagine. So all man get for the sea. Good. People don't go move the PDF. Now in that. Thank you so much, my brother. People don't go move the PDF form. Now in that. People don't already send on me. Now in that. So people don't go move the PDF. Not be me. I don't even know the person now. Now in that. So if you see the PDF form, person don't. So people don't go move for the website by itself. Now in this. You don't go move them. All everything. Now in that. So people already see them. So Ambazonians must know the truth. Because until we know the truth, then we're going to move forward. Now, they don't do it for discourage Eric Tato. Are they only for the sport? If you say, okay, the answer lizards, them, tappos, them, and cockroaches, the way, chat, you know, chat, that's smelling grasshopper, that's what they call them. We call our content, say chat, it is smell. And no, you know, because the answer that can grasshopper them. It's not possible. This is the bigger picture for the Ambazonian people to know. You are there, Ohio. You are there, Maryland. You are there, Louisiana. You are there, Kansas. You are there, Iowa, Illinois, Connecticut, North Carolina, South Carolina, North Dakota, South Dakota. You are there any side for USA, Alaska, Georgia, all the states, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Hawaii. Any side of there be ambassador for this USA. West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Washington State. Every year for federal capital of Washington DC. At the time you get for take time, you get a reflection. Say this thing is not about just say map the support because say I feel like the Eric Tato, they are not being noticed, they don't come big propaganda say oh maybe na so. But now the time you should not select for yourself. Go check the IRS website. Educate your brother waiting for Sweden, we don't know for doing. Me go check see the reality. If person fit get that kind of level for wickedness, for not declare the money will give, instead go declare for American government, and can give wrong figure because you know, wait till you 500,000, Sako disappear. Inside that way go disappear, that one for plan B. So all we must understand exactly the situation. And for all the PDF for all man, me when I see them go for page 10, you see 1.3 million something. IRS. So I never understand the reason when I say I cry, because I work with these people, I know these people, I know what they fit do. Now wicked people. Wicked people. The only actors will not be succeed for get them. Now me. For fight Ayoktabe and the other party for jail. Now why I see they come make all conspiracy against me. But one man, every tattoo, they know. They say they underboard that. Yes. Crush them. Now sometimes when I see this other egg of sea activity, they can't fight every tattoo. I don't look them so I just not tap them. That big activity they say they're even better because they make plenty audio. Because you get take for Akosin Raymond. I send you which way this other Mexican for China do am. Akosin Raymond will be a communication officer. He write document. I will show now. Muna Siam. I come back for this Akoda case. Man will be communication officer. He write document. Just go, anybody go for that website, just download the PDF, share them for people. Akosin a communication officer, he write document, Akosin sign and so, Akosin Raymond. Now in that way, they talk about that bike thing. Then that illiterate for China. Now activists way, he fear for using name. He calls it Capo Daniel, but real name, all man name. Look, all other activism, even the chicken there, the guys they use their name for that platform. All them, even they pick them, they use their name. But one man they fear for using name. If you see anybody call it activist, you know I use name. I use my name. My name every time to be attached to my social security for the country. It be attached to my car number plate, to everything I own. Now every tattoo. Go if you want find any site from America, right? Every tattoo. My middle name is Tano, Tano. Rick Abuemi, my initial na ET or ETT. Anywhere, that's why they sign document. That's what they identify me with. 4 last years of my social security, you know, I every tattoo this. Now me go get that social. Now one man per social for America. But of course you go write document, and then the China man, the claim say, now the country of C get structure. No organization doesn't get structure. Then your communication officer make document, you go write on top with pen, or you go take this thing right on top with pigeon. The Government Council of Amazonia, you put a no Ben skin, no motto. Now, look at what you do. Look at what you do on a document where they expect say me USA pick and read them. If you say revolution end up for what's up. Now at the end of C say that kind of person, everything we do am it destroy now. Now so because the other man will be there, he don't rest. When I say so that nobody when I image on the come back. Now the end of C they say now inside cliff. Because every day Capone must poison until I won't fix him. It's a terrible thing. Say a group will write a letter, he sign them, then the man go write with pen. Every share of a group, then I write them. He write with pen, he go write a bold, this inscripted on whatever software you use them. He write it, then you go block phone number. See, I'm going to tell you, if some kind of level for illiteracy, they get to sacrifice some people there. Give them so. Now I can go sacrifice and give them, make them go take and make a day, the capo man. Because if you look like Mexican man. No, me I call them on say, I make go egg of people they say, how do you write document where if you take and send about USC that every me, if I want every write news, so you can look and send which addresses, the what's they put their website, you cover website, cover phone number, cover everything where concern this, and here it is clearly written the decision of the egg of C. So this letterhead where when a communication officer sign them, it's not correct, you can't write egg of C again for under. That's telling an illiteracy, people not understand how to read. Now they can put that. So, egg of C, me I know they are against no group, but they are against people there for any group where they get bad character, like Sakona Tifman. Maybe the group where the leader, different become they feel be okay. The splinter group because of one eye today. So now in that I see, egg of C is struggle for hook up. Every day this particular people they go put their head down, they make when I get a nose dive. You never fall with your nose. Now so they put egg of C. Every day egg of C they fall with their nose. Because first of all, I take person they come, now 80 people they watch you. Now one me can compare person. Millions of people they watch it. Person not write English, no know the difference between where and where. Me can compare person with an editor for 50 something countries as at now. So there is no way. That's why you come on a Zoom go get the lowest Zoom will ever be for the revolution. Lowest na egg of seed Zoom. It's a disgrace. But if we be someone who will be the announcer encourage our followers every day go there. But because these people we cannot do it. I talk very clearly. If you claim that you represent any group, you attack me, automatically that group na my enemy. Put them very clear for your head. You won't fight me, I need to fight someone say individual not the revolution. And they attack the structure where they represent them. Because if they can't talk on TV, they won't attack every tattoo. And not be support egg of C with that kind of people inside, they may be very clear. It don't ever happen. I know look anything I do, I not concern me. But the one way they heard the revolution, I can't condemn them. Because now document will help me for some place. If at all, now if you won't help me, you get some man gone. As he renamed the show. He can't take and say, look at this. Who does this? The one that the thing that they used to do and when a tang and they write something, one guy say fake. Now you go do and so it's so primitive. Is this a signature stamp? And you cover everything that represents the organization. You cover every spokesman is spelling, almost cover a name. So these are the kind of power I want Egg of C. Okay, talk say Egg of C will do better if Dr. Cho concentrate. Look at posting them on level-headed. If he can talk, man, he go get live show tomorrow. He don't make poster. I don't know if he go live for that time. I'll leave my Akos and go do live show and listen, see what you have to get on there. Don't be charlatan. How you do carry some mic because you're deputy defense chief, you don't know the difference between where and where. To be honest, that's the most ridiculous mistake we man make of English language. Every time he write like 6 times. Now only man where because the children has not gone to schools. Now the only man you use has for after plural now. For the Holy Revolution. So now people understand the thing. I need to talk to one. Okay, this I don't talk so about the man. It's because I don't help Egg of C. Next time they don't go write that thing on top of their document. You make an official document for go write on top of pigeon. Is this not madness? Is this guy not bipolar? Is he not sick? And look the man in face. An extremely very ugly guy. You just come online, can you disturb Egg of C if you go anywhere, do better? So all we must understand exactly the situation. All we must understand. So all of us must know exactly what will happen. Egg of C must take it as a lesson. You cannot write, you can't say you are a structure. You write document. When a defense chief take them, you go write on top with the pigeon. They not Ben Sikin. So you want to say me call and go, me Donald Trump say Ben Sikin and waiting. After Egg of C, after Akos don't write clearly. Say no this thing, no motorcycle or no bikes, not this. You go guys say no Ben Sikin. The guy if say would they be na beer parlor. Or you don't tell you what's going to beer parlor. So all man must understand. You see where they don't hit them so they think it vex them. Instead, when we try to recalibrate focus, or I can say lost focus. Exactly. They lost focus because they write on top English document with pitching. They want to be some people, they take a share. I just see the things they said on my new, they'll tell my reporter, say, twist that thing and put it there. What's Ben Sikin? Where one do pitching? Go look BBC. You get English, you get pidgin, you get Yoruba. If you go for Yoruba, go miss our English. No. Get down very clearly. A document is an authentic representation of the views of an organization. And you cannot mold things up. Molded. Things cannot be jumbled. They cannot be scrambled. You know what's scrambled? So this is what the Egg of C must take. When I get an illiterate, a man with intelligence be bastardized, he be absolutely corrupted by pidgin English. He don't know nothing when he talk. He don't know nothing when he do. He talk all time now wrong English, wrong pidgin, wrong thing. Everything he says is wrong. He nothing represent anything. So we'll be aware. All right. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, all man don't see, I will go back. I want us to get that on the side. I will go back moon and see. I will come back for the ABCs, people them. You see, take for example, for what people the way they know the fact, and all man will follow revolution. When me, Eric Tato, at the top, I always like to show proof. We don't get a situation where Cameroon military don't go key 10 of our people. Now the number don't increase to 12, as I just get the report. And they key them, of course, now for Bopo. For that type of Baga Bakudu, Bopo. Now some people with 20 minutes walk from Baga Bakudu for inside Meme, Mbonge subdivision. Don't go key 10 people. Go look ABC. ABC get the news. They don't report. They don't know them. They go must see for me before they go copy. Or the wait time, they start share pictures. Then, say, sometimes they will talk this fact now, say. As I be talk, say they don't ban these people. They exist now on space. I will show now the document before I want to talk about this other illiterate guy for China. We don't know the left from the right. You don't know the difference between was and where and has and have. Now the terrible kind of that way Egg of C take say the kind of person they represent them. Now you don't know difference between have and has. You don't know nothing with the right. You don't know the difference between between mission and missions. You don't know no one. So I will pull an album and see him quickly. Okay. So you come here, you will see this document where they turn away. The pigs are going to bring them for can't defend themselves, say, according to them, every start of the lie say they be registered. I've been told yesterday, so now see some telegram say resident agent. Now in this. I mean, all man look at. So I be talking yesterday, they don't go bring the document because if I be bring the document, can't talk, they will say, oh, every start you don't go, you don't do so. But now they start circulating yesterday, now must not see the document around. You can't see, they still say, they claim, say, they didn't have a state of Maryland in that. And then they say Ambazonian Broadcasting Corporation, now the name, that way according to the ABC, who assume so. But you can't see resident agent. Now, Matthew Atungo, I end up, they look very well. Resident agent, all my don't register business, no. They come for here, you can get the address, principal office. Yesterday, we'll drive go for the office. We'll go say, we'll find Ambazonian Broadcasting Corporation. They won't almost beat me and my friend. They say they almost call police and say, okay, I'll spy. I might have drink some water before I'll come. I also receive forever about demonstration team. Me, mommy, they know. So the left way Sako they don't pull now. I like Sako, because the man, the grandfather know how to scam. See, he don't take another wap. He talk 500,000 quietly, he can declare 800. When I don't like you myself, they say don't do auditing. The grandfather a top man. No. See, the guy strong. The man, he technique high. He can make innocent. Inside the 800, he still chop. John get one chop, they already take 500 since he just keep us on corner. He go declare about US government corner. And if you're not US government, if you're not, I don't care about when I exist. That's what you talk. Instead of high declaration of US government, give put them more money, instead go declare for government. They come with your people then, you can't declare less. That's community theft. Sako don't do all kinds of thief. Grand Kumba was majestic. Grand Kumba, as at the year Grand Kumba go thief na big store them. Sako thief for you, mommy go work $10 for McDonald's. You can't talk say, not be me and not be US government. Go for that page, go see him. 1.3 million is on the website. Chris Arnold take 150,000. That's say 90 million, 100 million only for ABC for Facebook. When I say Facebook, they put the money. Oh my God, this is so nice. I like when the truth comes out like this. So much they look person for your face, so they put the name. Without saying, ladies and gentlemen, you see, I did talk yesterday. Say Chris Arnold don't take from the declaration down for tax. Chris Arnold don't take 100. Then yesterday they announced they don't do draft for 100,000 and they don't take 98%. When means 98,000, you put that again at almost 60 million. Means they don't get over 200 million for ABC where Chris Arnold they talk on top that Facebook page when I talk so way. They don't get website. No problem, who come? 200 million for TV when a Facebook page like my own. How many people they watch me? Over 1,000. How many people they watch ABC? Not over more than 1,000 all the time. They constantly for one something or something less. Sometimes less than you can imagine. But now for Facebook, I need use no device apart from my phone. No device, and they my phone the whole month. I get how many lines for the phone? I get 6 lines for iPad for the particular Samsung phone for spring. I pay now $335 for my business line. 5 lines or 6. Now all that I pay. Inside that one, I get 6 phones, 6 lines. Yes, as a matter of fact. So all man use phone, use message, call here, WhatsApp for the one line, $300 and something. Verizon, different bill, small money. At the end of the month, you don't get to spend nothing. But if you talk for here, go here, do everything, anywhere, post anywhere. Now, if you talk, say, I tell people, they say, see, ABC, some man tell me, they say, what does the ABCD exist? Apart from the fact they don't get documents. Now, Mark Atung will get a property. ABC, no, they know where register as way to increase the claim online. Me bring them. The one, okay, my talking a small calculation. Chris be post now a month ago, so they don't get documents. Then, if you can't look at the document, where Mark Atung on the parade and online now, more than a year ago, Ambazonian Broadcasting Corporation. So you see, if you reconcile, that's why I know what I was telling you guys. Now when you come now, you ask and say, someone don't take 200 million CFA for the beginning of the revolution. In get one camera. What is a TV station? Now studio. They don't get no. You go to the office space where Mark Achungo right now. Any man is there from Maryland or anywhere, call the office. You can first not even get phone number, but that's not an issue. Go for the office, principal office, say 35, 34, Carriage Hill Cycle. Go there, go look at the office, it exists. Go see side, they put placard for Ambazonian for this thing. They go back to my space, put their name, they go register. American government was worried about that thing. Now they got the full Ambazonian people. You have a TV, no office space, no studio, no camera, no software, no contract with any advertisers, no radio, no website, nothing, only a Facebook page with 1,200 people. And you are taking 200 million from the people. And refugees are dying. IDPs are dying. Fighters who have no guns. And then you come every day, you can't do old, you say the interim government has not declared shutdown. So you must be interim government by your own declaration, not wait international community to see you. Now they prepare next trip for go for Swiss. Boheba they prepare. By the time Boheba will go Swiss next time come back, he hear, oh, he be now, oh, he will get only be now. They'll move out all capital of a year. That Spanish get them. The whole head, the office now Kobo, the Kobo, when all the Romans don't move all be all the whole head don't be in a bar. So we have to understand. They'll come out go Switzerland. After carrying they go make the salt bath, hot water bath, put their charcoal, they come here, Muslim man. When you see a cow there for Bamenda, go this side, CD1. Therefore, they look play for printing for the eye, pass you Okada. The first way get small opportunity climbing on top horse. They will go Switzerland. Go for they go see cold water, hot water mix. Maybe they want to go bring Karina Indian girl, Muslim to cover her face. When they're from Gambia, where they stay for Switzerland, can't go touch it for the Karin can't confuse you. Because he's a Muslim scholar, any year the name again. He only take all things in Switzerland. And Paul will not be wise. Say some man go to fight for independence, he come over Cameroon. Fly to enter Douala airport. Man will be run around, so they want key, he still fly over the very airport. They were carry around come, they say Karim escaped. He has to seek asylum because La Republic wants to kill him. He's in Canada. They very Karim forget say they don't talk say they won't kill him. They fly and go back for Yaoundé. Carry reach Yaoundé now pick the change story. Cameroon can never kill him because the international community got eyes on him. Who did check Karim? We'll be honest. So until they promote the agenda for the Emiafigo Cameroon, I cannot. I never even do anything where it be related to every title. You'll be burnt down. That's the truth. So we all must remain consistent. Mommy and Papa, they won't tell us something. For sure, I have support the wicked. Muna no. Sako they take money 1.3 million where it be official now 1.4 million be official according to US government. Official, the PDF is there. 1.4 million, 1.3 something. They take that money. What happen? One business in the name of Ambassador is not set up. Mommy, I want you to do some analysis. Today I go wash my motor for some car wash. When they give me receipt, I look at keep the receipt. I go before midday. I go around 11:30. But I'll be there for I'll be there car number 618. Now my number that for my motor. That's number how many motor I go where they watch and for that monitor for 11 o'clock. 618 for 11 o'clock. I want to show you some analysis. That way Sako be collecting money, I be tell Sako say open some business for Ambazonian people. Mommy, imagine say that 500,000 way Sako they take and chop and them. You talk about 300 million plus the extra way take and chop inside the 800,000 we can declare for all the committee. Imagine they take only 500,000. They open car watch for DMV area. I say Maryland, Washington DC, Virginia. Me all Ambazonian they don't say now Amber car watch this. All man you can wash your motor for the dan. I wash motor today morning how much? My show now. $37 something. I want to bring the analysis. And that's what most people they watch because I did this. If you want me to clean your motor fine, you go wash for $37. Now I'm saying almost $40, $37.95. I be car number 618. I want to analyze something for Namami when I am. I want me all man understand the level for wickedness. 1 minute, I take my small brother call. Maurice. Hello? Yes. How far? Alright. How's mama? Okay, cool. Okay, call me after. Just give me a few minutes. I do a live show. I'll call you back. Yes, I'll call you. You want to go and watch? Go and watch. Bye. Okay, so as I've talked before that call coming, when I share extensively. So, mommy, imagine say Sako be take only if you go do feasibility studies for car wash. How much if you open car wash? That professional will get that machine to wash motor. So, if we go for 500,000, if we go put our bank, we'll take even at 2 million. This thing, even 5 million for the way money will come for that account. If we put our business account, will nobody ask any person contribution now. They don't carry fake draft, say they don't contribute, they don't want to contribute this. If we take only 500,000, go put down for car wash business, make our own car wash, put tire place or corner, put sell small thing, and perfume there for motor, all the team, we put like $1 million or down. The car wash don't wash me number 6. If you look at man, I hope say time for the way they print the receipt, please. Man, see me, God bless me, get time. Perfect. Every time only ever lie. Now time this. I be even go talk say 11:30 because I be confused. But if you look at time for the show 11:05, 11. That's just 11 o'clock. Now time that. Look at the time at the end 11:05 because 2 and 5 now opposite. Now play I go wash. Now I'm saying almost $40 for 11 o'clock. They close for 6 p.m. If you even extend on to 8 p.m. if we like, we put light day. Imagine $40. Say people they wash 1,000 motor for $40 every day. Then the other one, because they wash more than 1,000. Then the other one, if you wash of $12, $17, we'll just put average, you say 40 motor. 10 motor na $400. 100 motor na $4,000. 1,000 motor one day, one car wash. It will give you $40,000 money way at this time. No Amazonian group, nothing raise up in the next 6 months for the waiting they go. If not, she don't show me for the be exposed about it till it happen. They make $40,000 for one day, and that's what for America put the wash motor every day, winter, summer. 40,000. So for only 10 days, this car wash you make $400,000. 1.2 million. I say only that money we suppose to take and go chop them. For 1 month you don't work our car wash. Every guy work and they pay. As you say 1 month you work 1.2 million, you spend $600,000. $600,000 for car, for expenses, all the way not ever spend. I want to divide and half. We say every month the Amazon revolution will be worth $600,000. You open different businesses. We not for this for here. We not for the beg no man for can contribute because Dan for can contribute, go buy for Amber Shop. Dan for can contribute, go wash your motor for Amber Shop. Would you make the profit? Hire Amazonians them. Cameroon for the cry now. But what happen? When they talk, when I make noise, we talk for you come here. When I take motor, give. Yes, even less if you open car wash. I just talk averagely if you open them. Because most people go take car pay after. Now the situation doing at the day. Because Sako came to destroy. Imagine man we can't liberate people, you not get no roadmap for think about sustainability. Instead tip money for the Amazon to go declare less. Tell me how you feel when you come on and make all your defend the kind of people. Think how God will punish you. So I don't bring you information it will save revolution. Instead one hate me. You hate every time to say now me I go put that information for them. How some man go do take one money go declare less, then some man bring that up with your eye instead one hate it. For other countries, and people can't give me award, they hail me like hero for go bring this information. Say this is a good investigator. They'll praise me, give me award. But some of them now, because most of them are going to make out all yourself as a republic, because no ambassador have a right thinking sense. Even if you say you like somehow, they can't show you something so. They say only way if you still can't say one defender can. Yeah, you know. Because all these support are showing they like Tommy or Mess. I'll Google a picture when I see him. Mr. Man send me Tommy or Mess a picture from my WhatsApp. Just Google Tommy or Mess online for Google. And I'm away all the things they charm me. I only party they charm me. He say, go and sit this way. He say, should I sit on the chair? Should I sit on the mirror? That's all I did. So he said, this is what you would make. Every 300 days, open good car wash. See money for the maker. For the go work must go wash your motor. Car wash, you need touch nothing. Oil change, you do oil change, that place, do car wash, do tire, do everything for one place. which were 500 or 1 million. Today, so Tanzania will not be in a $1 billion country. Where would they even prepare for can rejoin? But look, for go rebuild. Look at the situation. For make serious money, but now everything is down. Everything is down. So all we have to understand. From tomorrow, Monday, we will start mobilize for get for the they can march for Washington, D.C. for 1st October. Now, you don't hear Chris Anu, Sako them. The wait tomorrow, the Okate say interim government no talk say some man can march because they want set confusion. As if they still can't talk someone can march, they will change the date on at the time. The one can argue say, no, just we will tell you how we're going to do the marching. But they'll see if they get for march, they'll see can march on 1st October. Just because they won't bring confusion. So all man when the ambassador must rise up to the occasion. Just get the information. We will march, we'll get a general march, we'll buy flags, buy things, then come for White House. It will be an informed White House. We'll do everything for see if we get the permit. If we not get permit, we'll still get the authorization for come they can march so long as we get group of 100 feet they separate and stuff like that. Less 99 down, we never need no permission. So me all man, Delaware, New York, Connecticut, Massachusetts, everybody prepare for come down for 1st October celebration. Now protest. George Trump died, so they go take permission for come protest. Nobody needs no permission to protest at this time, as a matter of fact. So all man get for come down. I don't really show now. Go online. And I'm going to talk about CDN again. Because the video over long, I'm not going to bring that video. I will find a special show for talk about the people. I want to thank the project for the coalition for dialogue and negotiation. I'm going to thank them all my show because they don't do, I don't touch my heart. Go watch a video for UN TV, Web TV. They were there for UN Web TV. You know how many people they go for UN? For watching where UN they talk? Like the whole world. Every day they talk about ambassador only for 10 seconds. I want to say that 10 seconds pass, even that 1.3 million ways Sako chop. Me God bless you now. When I'm not chop, if they better say no now for having chop that 500,000, then I go talk for what thing for UN. Sako chop, you not still go talk for UN. Even gate for police station, Sako cannot pass and go and say anything about ambassador. So that's the situation on our people. So anybody join this show, we don't really give all the information. If you join this show, you come. If you want the information for Saudi, US government don't put that information online. Me put the paste that website there. I go just read them one last time so that any man will join now because I don't want me to show too long. Me all man get them. So then that what we turn out, they say, oh, this is registered agent Mark Achungo. They will call the main noise say APC. Who registered? The white Chris Carter 1 month ago unregistered. They only can do a camouflage because their skin is itch for casual talk something for please follow us. So all the analysis they did. So I don't tell now. Now car wash that mommy. One man for car wash you make money way. But the car claims they do want invest, do want no invest. Sako for still get the opportunity for thief enough money. No matter for the realizer. Just give the people back a little something for from what they have contributed. Would they today for 2020, September, October, they come with the struggle. Now they want the struggle for do this. Now me every to this. I don't have to mommy contribute, no. With the struggle, do one of the things I will do. So man they expect say me fight as they go mash. They mash money and take video, the glad say, oh, independence is coming. $1 and they contribute, or they contribute some of the chop and for diaspora. That's it. And then some more I'll bring you information. You can say, oh, now because the AB La Republic and so on and so forth. Have you ever tell now plenty times? If me I turn my back, I decide to be pro-BIA, for example. Anti-Amber. Man. Trust me, it's going to be a calamity. Whether I like or not. I have a huge following. And if it's not good, I'll tell our people. But I will tell any man today, say, any day I can tell you, say, drop your weapon. Say, oh, let's leave this independent thing so no say that they don't bribe me. Or are they fine? Because I will never say it. No, to Cameroon don't do no way, no they way, anything we don't frustrate the revolution because we for go back say we want to reconcile Cameroon. It will never ever happen. I will bring more for this fight them for my trip to Boya. I don't see I'm not that for the. Now, when I go look the audit file, the audit and Ambazonia Consulting at the same thing for website for US government. I want thank una the watch. Una believe for this editor to God bless una. If you watch this show, you like the fact we don't expose this free, please go there, go click like, share, and say thank you, like some person don't write that. So that's why American government not arrest Sarkodie. Very good question. No man, no federal agent, not arrest man if there's not reasonable amount of complaint. Yeah, we don't do them. They always get a few people. They will get them. So complaints and therefore come in. March in, take this tax reform. If they online, just take and go for your police station. Go any side, go to complain. They open case number them. Una call IRS. Say this thing are fraud. Una not receive the money. They put the decline for you. That's how it is. All them where they be related to my trip to Boya, they got to go down. So the only green light on you now by having that document online. It's a public information. So thank all man where in the all man will worship me now. One thank you so much. I'm gonna say may God bless you now. Our people they suffer. Now it's around Baga Bankudu are talking today. No man never still report them. National Telegraph for Bopo. For that side of Baga Bankudu. Tomorrow ABC people I don't report they don't kill 10 civilians. Tomorrow some man will get 5 million tick there for a mob program to say hey, the area that or this. But you don't get one information. I be the only man where according to La Republique at the work at the destroyed country. They find a way for destroying, but according to Amber, them, some of them they pick the way as you not support them. Everything in La Republique. The only La Republique man way if you bring information against La Republique. Clap for yourself. Very good logic. Yes. When I get the way when I go for Switzerland, they go romance na ear, they wanna told them or when they hot water where that Swiss people they give na the confusion now. You cannot understand. Before they ask the website, I'll give the website now. Oh man. Where you watch me when I read the website. If you don't put the website, just copy and paste them for them. Oh man. Now the website is what you doing right now. You put HTTPS that's column / 2 slashes apps.irs.gov/app/eos/ https apps.apps.gov/opp/eos/. When you click there, it will take you go for the IRS page. You see them for there. When you go for that page, you'll see select database. The first one select all, not go for select all. You go for the next one and select by now esquece now employment identification number. No, you want select by name. You click for the it's some bag or pop right for under your phone. You can take an organization name. When you take organization name, you come down for the next place. Now you click search. It will take you go for trade play. You put the name for the organization. Now, when you don't select by name, you put the organization name now inside a search term. Where you see search term, you put the organization name. Just type Ambazonia Foundation. Not be Ambazonian. Now Ambazonia Foundation. When you type Ambazonia Foundation inside that bracket, you go now for search. You click on search. It will take you now go down. You scroll now go down. Once you click, it will refresh. Typically they say bring you for the same page. But you scroll go down and you'll see Ambazonia Foundation Incorporated, that's Inc. You click for them. When you click for them, it will take you now go for other thing. Then you get Ambazonia Foundation, now the EIN number, that everything be determined by name. You come down, you find a tax year 2018 form 990. You find a tax for 2018 because my trip have been at 2018 where they do that declaration 2018 2019 because you declare tax of 2018 for 2019, you declare 2019 or 2020 just like that. When you come there, click on this tax form. When you click the tax form year 2018 form 990. Once you click on top there, it will take you now, you'll see some new bag or drop down. That's your organization name, Ambassador Foundation Inc. Then you can get the return type 900 copy of return. You'll see now the tax for this. You see copy of return. Once you click the PDF file will just open. As you don't click for it, it will just bring it for the file. You'll see everything. Go for page 10. Why do you read all but I emphasize on page 10 for the last when you scroll there, you will see the page of the come up because a PDF. Where guys on page 10, you go zoom the last line for page 10. Page 10 will appear for you. You'll see page 10 where you get 3 million where they declare for US government. So please go talk about this again for our next show. Explain for point never get me all man know. I want any show, I don't want me long. We don't really talk a lot. We'll start yeah. Eric Tato will always bring that information because get people the way they can how they can tip we then you follow. All right, so a journalistic scope be very important. All right, with that one. So not confuse exactly. Wait till the talk. So that could be very very important. Once you get that, and here let's on over more than 1,000 people till